vnROM FRP Bypass is an Android tool to bypass Google Factory Reset Protection FRP. When locked out, it works mainly on older Android versions but may fail on newer devices and can be risky from unofficial sources. In this video, we'll review its pros, cons, and safer alternatives. Part 1. vnROM vs. vnROM.net vs. vnROM APK. Part 2. vnROM FRP Bypass. Overview of different versions. Part 3. Is vnROM FRP Bypass safe and free to use? vnROM FRP Bypass is a free third-party tool to bypass Google FRP lock, but it is not safe or reliable. It's not on Google Play and may contain malware, fake APKs, and compatibility issues. It often fails on newer Android versions. Part 4. How to download and use vnROM FRP Bypass. 01. Download vnROM APK. 02. Prepare your device. 03. Install vnROM APK. 04. Bypass Google verification. 05. Verify success. Part 5. Why is vnROM not working? How to fix it. vnROM often fails today because it uses old Android loopholes Google has already patched. Newer devices block APK installs, browser access, and hidden settings it relies on. Part 6. Why we like or dislike vnROM FRP Bypass. Why we like vnROM FRP Bypass. Free, no fees. Simple APK install. Works on Android 5.8. Available on vnROM.net. Offline use. Why we dislike it. Fails on Android 9 plus 13.16 mostly. Malware risk. Legal issues. No support. Complex setup. Part 7. Best replacement for vnROM FRP Bypass. More compatible. A PC-driven unlocking utility with Android Lock Wiper included in its toolkit. Is built to remove screen locks like PIN, pattern, and biometric barriers with the guided process. Step 1. Set up and select mode. Begin by downloading and installing the software on your computer. Once installed, launch the program and select the Remove Google Lock FRP option. Then choose Advanced Mode to proceed. Step 2. Connect and prepare data. Connect your Android smartphone to the computer using a USB cable and click Start to begin. Follow the prompts to enter your device information. Then click Next. Adhere to the on-screen instructions to put your device into recovery mode. Step 3. Extract and unlock. Click Start to extract and follow the instructions to put your device into download mode. Enable USB debugging, activate OEM unlock, and extract the firmware. The software will then begin unlocking your device. Conclusion. vnROM vs. Android Lock Wiper. Which is better? Android Lock Wiper is generally the better choice compared to vnROM FRP Bypass, offering broader device support, lawful use guidance, and higher success rates on modern Android versions.